Hi and welcome on board Seahorse. She's a Beneteau Antares 1080. So continue to watch and we'll give you a virtual tour of this cracking example of the Beneteau Antares 1080. So Seahorse is powered by two very well maintained and serviced Volvo Penta engines. Now sometimes the larger boats can be quite difficult to manoeuvre, especially in close quarters, but Seahorse has been fitted with both a stern and a bow thruster, making her very easy to manoeuvre in and out of the marina onto a berth and out into the wide open. So the Beneteau Antares 1080 is a cracking boat. As well as roomy, light, airy accommodation down below, there's also this wonderful foredeck. You've also got the fly bridge. So if you're looking for a great example of a Beneteau Antares 1080, give me a call on 01646 602 500. Come down and view her for yourself.